You want to be super successful on YouTube, and you don't know how. Well, let me tell you the secret sauce. Let me tell you the secret ingredient. You're not gonna be able to handle this, guys. That's right, the secret sauce is YouTube drama. Everybody's favorite topic. You think you need talent in being entertaining? Yeah, right. The fuck? You see, when you're dramatic, you capture people's emotions. And we are emotional creatures. And if I can capture your emotion and throw it away, then you will be engaged in my video. Drama gets people's attention. Just like this. I'm a sea turtle. I'm a sea turtle. I'm a sea turtle. Am I trying to make a legit tutorial here? You bet your ass I am. I hope this guide has helped you guys develop your skills as a YouTuber. Bye. Subscribe in the next 2 seconds.